Welcome to day 5 of social studies. If you've been following along with us in the daily schedule, then welcome also to your first Friday of remote learning. Hopefully this first week went well for you. Today with social studies, we are going to be looking at the intolerable acts. Now you read in day 4 about the Boston Tea Party and the Boston Massacre in your article, Unrest in Boston. Now these two events really continued to drive the colonists and Great Britain even further at odds with each other. These two events made them more angry and more upset with each other. And we actually see in the Boston Massacre things turned violent, and people are now starting to die because of this conflict, this tension, this back and forth between the colonists and Great Britain and its king. And today we're going to look at what that king's response was to the Boston Tea Party. Now, as you can imagine, when the colonists snuck aboard and dumped a lot of tea into the Boston harbor, it cost the king a lot of money, and he was very upset. He was angry at the colonists, and he thought to himself, I will show them, I'm going to get them back. And this is a turning point almost in this tension between the colonists and Great Britain. Up until this point, things like the Stamp Act and the Townshend Act, these laws, they were just trying to get money back from the colonists to help cover the cost of the French and Indian War. It was just trying to pay off Britain's bills. But today, you're going to learn that the Intolerable Acts were for a different reason. It wasn't about logistics anymore. The king simply wanted to punish the colonists. He was very upset and very angry about the Boston Tea Party, and now it was kind of personal. And this grudge match starts to develop. And so the king enacts these intolerable acts simply to punish the colonists. As you read your article today, you learn more about them, why the colonists thought they were terrible laws, and how they almost helped the colonists begin to band together.